To make a human figure from a piece of aluminum foil, you'll need a 12-inch wide roll of heavy-duty foil, and you're going to cut a strip that's 18 inches long. From that strip, I've measured in 4 inches on either side and drawn a line about 6 inches long. And on this side, 6 inches in, I've drawn a line about 6 inches long. So this is going to be the legs, this will be the head, and these will be the arms. So the way you'll start is you're going to fold this part in half. It's the leg and the arm. And when I squeeze the aluminum foil, I do so very gently, and I'm sort of curling my fingers around. I'm not squeezing like this and flattening it. I'm curling my fingers around. So okay, now I rolled the leg. We're going to leave it like that for now. For the head, I'm going to roll it this way. I'm also going to kind of squeeze it in so I end up with a ball when I get to the bottom of the neck. So I'm rolling and I'm squeezing in a bit. And I'm rolling and I'm squeezing in a bit. Okay, so now this doesn't look much like a human figure, but we're getting there. We have the 2 legs, the 2 arms, and the head. So I'm going to flip this over. I'm grasping it by the neck and I'm forming the head into a ball. Now I'm going to take my scissors and even out these legs. That one's a little bit longer. And I'm going to grasp it right about where the ankle would be and just bend it up like that at a right angle so that I have some feet. In order for your foil figure to stand, you can hot glue its feet to a piece of cardboard. Sometimes when you're adding accessories and cloth and clothes to your figure, the top gets very heavy and the figure will start to kind of lean one way or the other. So one way to fix that is to lean it all the way down like that, and then take some toothpicks, insert them sort of inside of the legs, like that. Make a couple holes for your toothpicks to stand in. Bend your figure back up, letting the toothpicks go in the holes. And then a little more hot glue does the trick. You can see how the toothpicks are embedded in the hot glue.